Welcome back to Hey Birdie. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, and if you'd like to get notified of new videos, just click the little bell icon right next to it. Today I have a day in the life video planned for you. This video was actually shot a few days ago. When I uploaded my footage, the first bit of my morning wasn't there. I'm not really sure what happened, but in today's video, this was a day that was over 110 degrees, so it was very hot, just kind of lazy summer day when we're just kicking around the house, no play dates or anything like that. Uh-oh, baby's crying. Anyway, let's just jump right into this video while I go and get Reese. So, all that I have done so far is make my bed and pick up a little bit in the bedroom, but I just remembered that I have to pick up our groceries we ordered last night, so I've got to pick up those, and the kids are currently getting dressed. They usually get up between 6 and 7, somewhere around there, so they're getting dressed now. It's 7 o'clock right now, and I think I'm gonna nurse this little one before we head out. And that's that. Everything else is just gonna have to wait until after we get back. So I'm just gonna finish picking up the kitchen and start my load of laundry, and Gavin will be in charge of his room and the bathroom, and Taylor will be in charge of her room and the playroom. We have been playing, and now Reese is starting to get a little bit fussy, so I am going to put her down for her nap. She already took a mini nap in the car on the way home from the grocery store, but it was only like maybe a half an hour, so this will be her first, like, hopefully proper nap. You're going night-night. Yeah, we're gonna go night-night. The kids are just watching some TV. Reese woke up from her nap around 11:15, so that was a little over an hour nap. It is like noon now, and I have just been on the phone talking to my mother-in-law and then my mama, but now I'm going to make some lunch. Here. You missed. No. What? Yummy! While we're waiting for the noodles and I'm feeding Reese, these guys are, what are you doing?
We're making a book, and outside we're gonna make a book stand. But I wanna keep one. I'm gonna keep the unicorn book.
You are.
I'm gonna make that one. Gavin's making the zombie apocalypse one.
Nice.
But it's no words.
Just a picture book?
Yeah.
Okay, so it is about 1:30 now, and I just nursed Reese and put her down for her afternoon nap. And hopefully this nap will be about an hour, give or take some minutes. And I'm going to use this time to do my afternoon chores. So first I'm going to clean up our lunch mess, and then I will finish up the laundry that I started this morning, and then I will also have the kids clean up their mess that they've been making with making their little books and things like that. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on all of that. Okay, so it is almost 3 o'clock and Reese just woke up from her afternoon nap and she just got her diaper changed. And I just pumped a little bit. We finished cleaning up, doing our afternoon chores, and now we have an hour before we have to leave for Tate's dance class. So we're just gonna play a little bit and hang out with brother and sister. Huh? That's so much fun. That's so much fun. Okay, it is 4 o'clock. We are off to dance. Huh? What? Where are we going? Dance? But we just dropped Tate off at dance, and Gavin, Reese, and I are going to head into Wally World, or Walmart, to go and pick up a little inflatable swimming pool for Reese. So we are going to get one of those, and then we will head back over to dance. May I please get a cucumber mint lemonade? No! Okay, so we are back at dance and we have about 20 minutes to spare, so I'm going to nurse Reese because she is not a happy camper. Okay, so Tate and I are back in the car after I was done nursing Reese. We had a few more minutes, so I ran in to get Tatey, and now we are finally headed home, and Corey is already home from work.
I made...
Dance was good?
Yeah.
Good.
I made a chest in this treasure room I made. That's really hard to get to, and if you don't get to it right, you fall out of the world. And the chest is filled with all valuable stuff. Like dragon's breath and a dragon head and TNT.
Minecraft talk. I don't get any of it.
You don't get any of it.
No, it goes way over Mommy's head, doesn't it? Just finished eating dinner, and now we are going to have a bath. We are going to have a bath, aren't we? Yes, we are. So I guess I'm gonna probably end the day here after Reese's bath, because after this it's just gonna probably be close to her bedtime. So we'll start her bedtime routine, and while she and I are doing that, Corey and the kids are going to swim and go in the jacuzzi, which I will join them if I'm done with Reese. Are you ready for your bath, pretty girl? Okay, so it's about 6:45 and I just put Reese down for bed. She's still awake, kind of fussing, crying in there, but she should go to sleep within the next 10 or 15 minutes, if not sooner. And the kids just came in from swimming, so I think I'm gonna take my bath and call it a night. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, I would absolutely love if you would do that now, and I will see you next time. Bye!